Hello, Algebra 2 students, for Mr. Fry. This is January 5th. This is not due until the 7th, but I thought I'd get this out there for any of you that are working on it. Here you have the definition of a system of linear inequalities, and you can read that yourself and go over it. But I'm just here to help you with the odd ones. Go ahead and do the even ones. If you learn from your mistakes, you're making progress, so don't worry about it. Let's take a look at number 1 here. Graph the linear inequality. Y is greater than or equal to 3x plus 2. Just treat this like a regular slope-intercept form problem at first, just to get all your points in position. My y-intercept is 2, and then I work on my slope is 3, which is 3 over 1, 3 over 1, 3 over 1, up 3 over 1. This could equal anything on this line, so I'm going to make a solid line. Now, let's look at this y is greater than. So y being greater than, so look at the y-axis. Everything greater than it is above this. So above this line, you got to shade, and I did my best to shade this. Answering the question, where on the graph are the solutions to the inequality? On the line and shaded area. So that's where you could find any of the solutions. Anything above that line, anything in that shaded area, and beyond, if we were to have a infinitely large graph paper, any of those points way out there would satisfy that inequality. Number 3, we're going to put 2 of them together. In my pencil, you could see that I have graphed this part of the equation. And in my pen, red pen, I graphed this equation. Where the 2 shaded areas overlap, that is the that's the solution to both inequalities. So I highlighted that in yellow for you. And so where shade areas and lines intersect, should be shaded areas and lines intersect. That's going to be your answer for where on the graph are the solutions to the system of inequalities. Moving on. Number 5, the first one is done in pencil. The second one, just y is greater than -2, or x is greater than -2. That's going to be a vertical line, and then everything greater than that I have in red. Where the 2 shaded areas intersect, that is where that is the solution set for both of these. Okay, look for part 2 of this video to finish this up.